Hey guys, Levi from Autowash, and in today's video I wanted to talk about the Incredible Express detail package and what that entails. Very first thing we're going to be doing is using the Autowash system to wash the vehicle. And that is paired with not only the unique equipment that is inside the Autowash, but it's partnered and paired with our soaps as well as some other unique chemistry to help remove those embedded particulates in your paint's finish. Now, what are those embedded particulates, you might wonder? Well, that can be brake dust, that can be rail dust, that can be just industrial fallout, that can be bugs, that can be tar, that could be all kinds of stuff. The point is, we're gonna get all that stuff off of your paint's finish. And we can do that one of two ways. We're either gonna do it chemically in our wash bay, where we use a unique iron remover to remove those off the paint surfaces, and we're also going to be mechanically removing those by adding a clay lube to the surface to provide that lubrication, as well as a mechanical decontamination with our clay to remove all those particulates without damaging your paint's finish and adding some slickness and some shine to the outside of the vehicle. So the Incredible Express detail package includes everything that the classic Express has. So you also get a light vacuum, a light interior dusting, windows inside and out, tires and wheels. But with the Incredible package, we are actually partnering with the power of graphene to make your vehicle's finish that much greater and that much slicker and glossier. So you're gonna get a top coat of our graphene-infused sealant to provide longevity to your paint's finish. So we're gonna give you an extra 6 to 9 months of protection. And that is gonna pair nicely with graphene, which is available at all the auto washes. So that's right, we're gonna put some graphene on your car, which is then gonna be supported by the graphene in the Incredible Wash packages that you can also receive at Autowash. Do you have a membership? If you do, you can schedule your appointment today and we can see you right here in the Autowash showroom. So can't wait to see you. Make sure you set up an appointment and Autowash, because, well, we know you love your car.